Today, Kierstin Seaback and I, Mckenna, will be talking to you about our science fair project on crystal radios. Our question is, does the length of the antenna make a difference in the signal of the crystal radio? Our research. Which antenna length gives the best radio crystal signal? After researching the electromagnetic spectrum, frequency, wavelength, quartz crystals, and radios, we realized that we had all the basics for picking up AM radio stations using simple equipment from our bought/homemade crystal radio kit from Amazon. It is an award-winning crystal radio kit too. That's why we chose it. But which antenna length would produce the clearest, strongest radio signal for our crystal radio? A crystal radio is among the simplest of radio receivers. There's no battery or power source and nearly no moving parts. The radio is made up of a turning coil, a magnet wire wrapped around a toilet paper tube, a detector, and crystal earphones, and an antenna wire. The crystal radio turns the radio signal directly into a signal that the human ear can detect. Since the radio does not use external power, the source of power comes directly from the radio waves themselves. This radio detects in the AM band that have been traveling from stations or transmitters thousands of miles away. One of the biggest challenges with detecting low-power radio waves is that there is no amplifier on the radio to boost the signal strength. We had to find the quietest spot in our house away from any transmitters and loud noises that might interfere with the reception. When designing the experiment, we had to take into account the finer details, such as the width of the wire, whether to use magnetic or plastic insulated wire, and the tube diameter. In addition, we also needed to find the adequate grounding source. We used metal water pipe and have enough space to spread out our antenna, which ranged from 10 inches, 50 inches, and 100 inches. Our hypothesis. We, Mckenna and Kierstin Seaback, believe that the longer the antenna, the stronger the signal in the crystal radio. Our best guess is that an antenna with a 100-inch would produce a clear enough signal to hear distant words and songs. Thank you for watching our science fair video. Our science fair website, with all our information that we worked very hard on, is on Qantas Carefree Science Fair Regulation website. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.